Hey guys, it's the Fit Science Guy. Today I want to talk to you guys about brown fat versus white fat. What's the difference between each type of fat? What's the important aspects of each type of fat? And actually why it's important to actually have some fat on your body rather than trying to eliminate all types of fat like getting a 3% body fat or 5. You want to stay at a healthy level percentage of fat in your body, and here's why. So white fat is composed of single lipid droplets that its purpose is for insulation and protection, which white cells secrete important hormone molecules such as leptin, adiponectin, adipepsin to influence processes such as food intake, insulin secretion, and insulin sensitivity. Now, however, when you have an excess of fat, that's when it becomes a problem. So you get an excess of white fat from overeating and living a sedentary lifestyle. And due to this, you can become at a higher risk for metabolic syndrome, diabetes, being obese, and other chronic diseases. Now, the difference between brown fat and white fat is brown fat is composed of small lipid droplets that are rich in mitochondria, which mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell for producing maximum amount of energy for the cell. So brown fat dissipates chemical energy in the form of heat by a process known as thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is a process that generates heat by the burning of fat and by burning calories through the burning of fat. Thereby, brown fat actually defends against hypothermia, obesity, diabetes, metabolic and metabolic syndrome. Now, to wrap these two together, what's important about these two is important to have a certain amount of white fat because you want to insulate, you want to protect your organs, you want to protect your joints, and you want to protect your bones. But you don't want too many because that's where the problem goes ahead. Now, brown fat, our body actually only produces a certain amount of brown fat because it's constantly being burned off. So we also don't have that much amount of brown fat in our body. But the key is you can actually convert your white fat to brown fat, and here's how. So converting your white fat to brown fat is you want to increase it when you're trying to lose weight. And so the way you can do this is one, by exercising regularly. This can help increase your brown fat levels by exposing yourself to cold temperatures regularly. And lastly, through food intake. So research shows foods that actually increase the conversion from white fat to brown fat include omega-3 fatty acids, which you can find in fish, you can find in certain nuts. You can also find in some hemp seeds, or capsaicin, which is mostly found in hot peppers such as jalapenos, red crushed peppers, or just casually drinking green tea. Also, resveratrol, which is found in red wine, which is found in grapes, just for an example, and curcumin, which is also found in curry powder, which is found in turmeric, and then lastly, thymol, which is found in certain herbs. Now, these are important in converting your white fat to brown fat. The reason why these are important is because you want an increase of brown fat when you're losing weight, because that in turn helps you burn those calories. Helps you burn those calories when you're working out. It actually helps you burn those calories when you're not working out. And that is the important thing. You want to be able to burn calories even when you're not working out. And this is one of the ways you can do it by using these methods. So thank you for tuning in.